I paid $445 for a deep clean, and this is what I got. So here is everything that was included. Cleaning for 1 to 3 hours, 3 cleaners, vacuum with upright vacuums, edges, hardwood floors, hand wash kitchen and bathroom floors, wash all floors, hand wash all baseboards, dust furniture, windowsills, ledges, woodworks, ceiling fans. They were supposed to clean blinds, also doorknobs, light switches, entryway windows and doors, clean and shine, disinfect bathrooms, including fixtures, countertops, showers, and the tub, cleaning the kitchen, including sinks, appliances, exteriors and interiors, countertops, cabinet fronts and interior, table and chair legs, clean inside microwave, dishwasher, empty trash containers. Also, another thing they said they would do is change the sheets, and that really sold me on this. I figured $445 is a lot of money, but it will be well worth it since I really haven't had the time to fully deep clean my house, and I just really wanted to enjoy the summer with my kids, taking them to the beach, doing activities. I just wanted to treat myself, and I figured that this was a good price for everything that was included. So I'm going to show you some before and after, some up close shots, some special areas that I really wanted to pay attention to and to see how well they were cleaned. Keep in mind, I am aware that there is stuff all over my house. I did tidy up a bit, but most of this stuff I said, just go around it. My office, I told them not even to touch it, but I wanted to do a little comparison before and after and show you, is it worth it? And you will be shocked. At the end of the video, I will let you know my thoughts, and I am not going to be sharing the name of the cleaning company out of respect for them, so let's do it. So the first thing I did was clean up all of the laundry, put away any items, fold anything, just get it out of the way so that they are able to work and not have anything in their way as best as I could. And you can see here the sheer amount of dust going on. There is quite a bit. Like I said, I probably haven't done a deep clean since May of my house, like where I really got in there and got everything. So my house really needs it. A great thing that they did say that they would do is if I put sheets on the bed, that they would change all of the bedding, which I was super excited about because this is one of my least favorite chores. So I did quickly pick up my bedroom. I didn't make my bed or anything, but I did put all of these clothes away. Just tidy up. My bathroom had a bunch of makeup and whatnot on the countertops. So I did go ahead and put all of that away as well and just tidy up the shower a little bit. But I did tell them to just kind of work around everything, move the bottles. I did put all the toys into a bin, but I'm showing you up close and personal here, all the mold and the mildew and the soap scum and the shower glass that needs to be cleaned up. Also the sinks. I'm giving you a close-up shot here of how they're looking. So here's the after shot. I wanted to give a close-up of the mirror. They did do a good job here. I don't see any smudges or anything. It is looking good. I also noticed that this cabinet was also cleaned very well. They got the glass. Sadly, the carpet did not look very vacuumed. I did notice that there were still some crumbs and things. Specific spots that I had taken note of. They did fluff my cushions somewhat and just kind of rearrange them and then folded all the blankets. But they were supposed to actually remove the cushions and vacuum under here. And I'll show you in a minute. I checked. And yeah, there's still a bunch of crumbs. It doesn't look like they even tried it. The other thing is that the dusting pretty much didn't happen. I'm just showing you shots from glimpses where I've noticed just so much dust. And the bathroom mirrors and the mirrors in the bedrooms also don't look like they were touched. And if they were, it almost looks worse. It's very smudgy. You can see the ring in my sink there where there appears to still be some mold. And then my refrigerator. Didn't even wipe it down. And if they did, just made quite the mess. Here's an up close of my sink. Doesn't even look like they cleaned the countertops, unfortunately, at all. And I could see if they didn't clean it because I thought it looked clean, but there were clearly smudges. There's clearly debris all over the floor. It doesn't even look like they vacuumed in my kitchen. Here's an up close shot at the woodwork on my stairs. You can see the dust wasn't even touched. And in the shower on the fixtures, wasn't even cleaned. Here's a peek at my shower. I was really disappointed here because this is one of my least favorite things to clean. As you can see, it doesn't look like it was touched. So we're going to do an up close shot and we're going to see here that there is clearly mildew and that the shower pan wasn't even cleaned. So this clip I actually sent over to the company when I said, you know, you need to come back and do the cleaning. We paid a company. I will give them a fair shot to come back and make it right. Unfortunately, it didn't go so well for us. But in this case, I mean, the floors weren't even vacuumed. Look at that. So I just thought this would be a fun experiment. I really wanted it to go the other way, where I came home and the house smelled so fresh and everything was clean and sparkling. But unfortunately, it did not. So if you have any cleaning recommendations for deep cleaners in New Jersey, drop them in the comments down below. And I hope that this video didn't come off negative. Again, I'm not going to be naming the cleaning company or anything like that. And yeah, so I thought this would be something fun to share. Wanted to give it a shot. Would definitely be open to trying another company. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye, guys.